Welcome to the final video in the pre-summit warm-up series. If you haven't seen them yet, videos 1 through 3 are all available on this page and they are so worth watching. I'm Nicole D'Andrea Russert, Food Revolution Network's lead dietitian nutritionist, and I am thrilled to give you a glimpse of the recipes that you'll receive each day of the summit. Each summit day is dedicated to a specific topic, and the 3 recipes of that day will be carefully curated to support the topic being discussed. For example, the second day of the summit will focus on the impact of diet and lifestyle on mental health and cognitive function. That day will include 3 recipes that support brain and mental health. In addition to the 3 recipes you'll see each day, you will also receive a video demonstrating one of them. Since you're here right now and to tantalize your taste buds, I'm about to share which recipes I'll be showing you how to make. On day 1, we will make jackfruit carnitas pizza together. If jackfruit is new to you, get ready to get excited about this fruit that has a meaty texture similar to pulled chicken or pulled pork and can be used as a fiber-rich meat substitute in many plant-based dishes. On day 2, we'll create a blackberry arugula salad. This may sound like a super simple dish to demonstrate, but it contains a couple of ingredients that make this salad extra special and not to be missed. I also selected this salad as an opportunity for us to talk about how to navigate recipes that include a few recipes within one recipe so that the main recipe is smooth and efficient. Day 3 will feature one of my personal favorite dishes, a velvety asparagus soup. In this demonstration, you'll see how vegetables can transform into a creamy, dreamy, savory delight with the help of another surprise ingredient. So make sure you tune in to find out what that ingredient is. Plus, you do not want to miss out on this recipe because the soup is incredibly delicious. On day 4, I'll highlight an unlikely combination that I think will blow your mind while helping your skin glow from the inside out. Blueberries and beets come together to create the most delectable blueberry beet smoothie bowl that will ignite your inner and outer radiance and vitality. It would not be a complete summit packed with delicious plant-based recipes if there weren't at least one veggie burger. On day 5, we'll make spinach artichoke burgers, which are satisfying, tasty, and the perfect vehicle to layer even more plant-based foods on top, like avocados, tomatoes, and onions. On day 6, we will dive into plant-based sauces by making green tahini sauce. Having nutritious and exquisite plant-based sauces and dressings on hand is essential for a successful and delicious plant-based kitchen, as they can elevate the flavor and nutrition of just about any meal, and they often take only a few minutes to make. Now, if you're a crunchy snack lover who isn't, then day 7 is a must-see because we will be baking up some savory and crunchy kale chips. Next, I will demonstrate the lemon miso grain and vegetable bowl on day 8. Now, grain and vegetables may sound a bit vanilla, and you might be asking what type of grain and which types of vegetables. While the recipe calls for rice, broccoli, and peppers, the wonderful thing about grain and veggie bowls is that they're super customizable, meaning you can use any grains you love or any vegetables you have on hand. So we will be talking more about that during the video demonstration. Finally, on day 9, we will make a special treat called cinnamon roll baked oatmeal, which can be a healthy, sustainable breakfast as well as a snack or a divine, good-for-you dessert. Now, before the summit even starts, we're giving you access to 3 bonus recipes. They're simple to make and are meant to help you get comfortable in the plant-based kitchen. They include a banana tahini coffee smoothie to wake you up and activate your brain in preparation for all that you're going to be learning. And if you don't drink coffee, don't worry, banana and tahini still come together perfectly to make a divine smoothie. The other 2 recipes complement each other. You'll receive FRN's very own homemade guacamole, which is out of this world, and a simple to make one-pot Mexicali quinoa. To prepare ahead, check out the recipes, gather your ingredients, and get cooking so that you can enjoy them while watching each exciting episode. Here's to healthy, happy eating. I will see you during the summit.